Certainly. Making money online with ChatGPT can be an excellent way to earn some extra income or even replace your full-time job. With the right approach and some hard work, you can turn your ChatGPT skills and knowledge into a profitable online business or side hustle. To get started, consider the skills and expertise you have to offer. Are you a talented writer, designer, or programmer? Do you have experience teaching or tutoring? Are you knowledgeable about a specific topic, such as finance or marketing? Once you've identified your strengths, you can start to explore ways to monetize them online. One of the most common ways to make money online with ChatGPT is to offer freelance services. There are many platforms, such as Upwork or Freelancer, where you can create a profile and bid on projects that match your skills. You can also reach out to potential clients directly through social media or email marketing. Another popular option is to create and sell digital products. This could include e-books, courses, or software tools that help people solve a problem or achieve a goal. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to create and sell digital products, even if you have no coding experience. You can also make money online with ChatGPT by participating in paid research studies, focus groups, or surveys. These opportunities may not pay a lot individually, but they can add up over time and provide valuable insights into consumer behavior. Finally, it's important to remember that making money online with ChatGPT requires hard work, persistence, and a willingness to learn. You'll need to stay up to date on the latest trends and techniques in your field, as well as continually refine your marketing and customer service skills. But with dedication and effort, you can turn your ChatGPT knowledge into a lucrative online business or side hustle.